Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a really cute little origami treat pouch or pouch that I wanted to share with you guys today. I just wanted to give a shout out to everybody that sent me well wishes. I did have emergency surgery. I'm doing great, thanks. But yeah, super scary time. But yeah, everything went well and I'm feeling great. I am back, and yeah, thank you so much to those that reached out. But I'm going to show you how we created this little origami type pouch. I have a piece of the Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper, and this paper is cut at 6 inches by 6 inches. I have my Stampin' trimmer. On your trimmer you have the light one, which is a scoring blade, and the dark one, which is your cutting blade. So you're going to take your paper and you're going to score this at 3 inches. You're going to rotate it and then you're going to score it at 1.5, and you're going to score it at 4.5. Now, I'm sure these type of pouches have been around for a long time. It's not something new that's been created. I have my bone folder. You're just going to fold that in half, and then you're going to fold these two score lines. You are going to play around and you're going to decide which side you want showing, basically, on the top and stuff. So I just fold this in half and I just kind of wiggle it like so on each end. And then what you're going to do is you are going to open these ends like so, and this score line you want to meet up with this line here. And once you have it in place, you're going to give it a good little fold, just like so. And you're going to repeat that on the opposite side as well, just opening the cardstock, making sure this line lines up with this line. And again, I'm just using my bone folder. And that, my friends, is your little origami pouch. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some tear and tape, and all you want to do is add tear and tape on the bottom of these flaps. I have my paper piercer. This just helps me to get the backing off, especially because I don't have any nails. I've got small children, so it's hard for me to keep long nails, just because I don't like to scratch my son when I'm changing diapers. And you're going to repeat that on the opposite side as well. Now what I went ahead and did, I used the tailored tag punch because I wanted to hide this seam. And I have some old olive ink. what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut around this. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want this little border to show with my mint macaron piece. Now you can finish this off with some faceted dots. There is the mint macaron to go with the cardstock, the DSP and the cardstock and whatnot. So again, it's entirely up to you how you want to dress it up, if you will. But just a fun way, you can add a pouch of tea. I am not pregnant. This is what I had when I was. You can also add a gift card or your business card. So again, it's entirely up to you what you put into your little pouch. But super cute, super fun. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, you guys, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you. If you're in the US and you're interested in purchasing any of the Stampin' Up! Products that I did use in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a detailed written description over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and give it a look. Thank you so much for stopping by, and take